Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Nvidia stock. Kaboom! This thing is kaboom, guys. 9.6% down. 9.6%. Are you kidding me? Wow. Well, is this all a surprise to us? No. Why not? Well, as if you have been seeing my videos, I have been talking about how the structure has been bearish, and I'll be using my tools throughout this video as usual. So let's turn them on one at a time. Well, some are already turned on, and this is the another one. Structure on the daily interval has remained bearish for us, and today we are just continuing in that direction to the downtrend. And not just on the daily interval. We are also on the weekly interval we continue to be in the red bearish structure and are in the downtrend here. So nothing has changed in that respect as well. Let's get to the hourly interval. And I'll talk about the levels to watch tomorrow and what for today we were watching. So I gave you this area, the zone of $125 to 127. I mentioned that if we want to continue in this intraday to multi-day rebound, today we'll have to get above this $125 to $127 zone above. That's a good sign. Otherwise, we have a room of a pullback until 122. But if we lose 122 and eventually lose 120 as well, it's all over. Intraday possibilities of a rebound uptrend are over, and you will be using my tools to make those decisions. And on the hourly interval, you can see we opened the day red and remained red. And we have been continuing lower and lower. And not just that, if you were day trading as well. Let's get to the 5 minutes interval. So complete utter collapse since the time it opened as well. So let's turn on my tools again, another one. And you can see open below the cloud, remained red. There was a little bit of a rebound that was a little bit in the stabilizing the bullish structure, but then it pretty much just broke and continued red. So it is a clear-cut short play for the day. All right. So if you need access to my tools and also 50 plus stocks coverage, check out the details in the description of this video. Makes trading easy peasy. All right. Now, levels to watch tomorrow. Well, first of all, we are right now heading down to $100. Technically, that's the magnet right now on Nvidia. And from here on, the levels to watch are, well, there is no uptrend in picture, first of all. This area is no longer relevant because it was relevant for today, it did its job, but it's no longer in play now. Price will not react there anytime soon, all right? So at this point, this level, $118 is a new resistance level, which means when I say it's a new resistance level, it doesn't mean it's a new resistance level right now, but it's the resistance level in a way that even any rebound happens until then, it's not going to change or it's not going to bring in a good strength in Nvidia. It will still remain in the downtrend, and that area, there is no point in looking at structure turning bullish as long as we now remain below 118. In other words, Nvidia is really in a big trouble, guys. It's really in a big trouble. I want to show you 4 hours interval as well here real quick. And this is the point tomorrow, 112, because we are setting up for a flush down straight to this $100 area. My tools marks all these levels automatically for you. There are some hidden behind the blue box as well. That's where the outline of the blue box that I have put there as well is, okay? So yeah, it's all collapsing. It's all collapsing right now. There is no sign of an uptrend. If Nvidia want to show us some possibility of rebounds, 118 above is first we have to get above without breaking further below tomorrow, but that will just be still a rebound. Nvidia has a lot of room to remain bearish even until 127 right now. All right, so so even if any choppiness builds up here, we'll see if that happens. Right now I'm not seeing any sign of that. That possibility will only start happening if we close at least a day above 180 without breaking further below. Otherwise we're just continuing lower. All right guys, short and concise, this is what I want to keep this video. Check out the details in the description of this video if you are also interested in 50 plus stocks coverage that I do with the members. I spend a lot of time on those videos. And also if you need access to the trading tools that you see in my videos, check out the details in the description of this video. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.